Hey traders, welcome to Trade and Trading's final video of the month of May. My name's Mark Owen and we're the Live Traders Club. So what we're looking at and what's happening right now, well, the members are running a very profitable month right now, and YouTube could as well. We've got some great momentum in the market right now, and what can you take advantage of and what are we seeing that's potentially about to occur? So right now we're looking at the dollar index, and the dollar index, as you saw last week, or this week I should say, came into the key number 95. You can just move that up slightly. Came in at 95. If we look left, this is where we saw that previous high before the market sold off, then consolidated. Now it's broken back up and come straight back up into that high. So what do we envisage happening looking at the dollar index? Well, the way we're trading it here is we're trading the head and shoulders. So we're running this back down into sort of the 91.50 to 90 area, and then we'll be looking to see how the market reacts in this zone here to see if we're going to pull back up and form a head and shoulders, and then we'll look for resumed dollar strength, or is it going to break straight through this and continue lower? But ultimately we put our trade call out there yesterday, and we had a sell limit effectively on the 95 of the dollar index, which conversely transmuted into a buy limit, as you can see here, at 1.1553. We sent this out. If you follow us on Instagram, you will see when we sent this out, but ultimately our traders in the club got this live at market, and you'll see the market came down, came into 1.1553, broke through a little bit, put us under a bit of pressure, then it's broken up to the upside. We've banked half profits today on these highs. Now we're watching to see if we can potentially get an opportunity to get back in with another half of the position before running it up to 1.1980. okay, so this trade's running really nice. We'll be looking to potentially add in on this to run it back up, and as you'll see, that's a 7.32 return should we capitalize on the full position. Other markets of interest, as you'll know, we've been selling Swissy from the highs. This is one of our cut signals. It's been running extremely well. We took an add-in position here, which again took first profits. Some of our traders got stopped out at break even on the second trade. However, if you left your positions where they are now that we've broken new lows, stops can move to break even, so we've got very healthy profit running on Swissy. Other market that we guided you along on was Aussie, and interestingly there's people, as I called longs on Instagram, saying it's gonna tank, it's gonna tank, it's gonna tank. Well, sorry guys, but we were right. It's one of us was going to be right. It was either going to tank or it was going to rally. We believe with our condition analysis in the background, our first trade down here is running very well, and our second trade from here, it moved well, went right up into some real nice profits, came back down. We took our first take profit as agreed at this neckline, came back down, went back into an offside position. Now what we're looking for is a break of 76 and a clear move up, and then we'll look to trade a retest from 76. We see this market heading all the way back up to previous highs around 8,000 as a minimum, 81.30. So watch for a break and pullback on Aussie dollar. Japanese yen has been moving really well. We took a nice trade here. So we got the rejection candle here of our descending trend line. It's moved down, banked profits here. Now we're waiting to see if 108.50 will break. If it breaks, we'll look for a retest, take first profits at 105s, and then run that down even further. Pound yen, if you subscribe to our newsletter, you'll have taken this trade here, you'll have got our alerts. We've made substantial profits, as you can see, from here all the way down. Thank you very much. What a lovely trade. Now we'll be looking for potential add-ins because we see strength in yen and potentially more downside to sterling. But we've covered the main markets that we were trading. What else is of interest? Well, platinum is another one of our trade calls that our traders got. You'll see we bought this candle down here. Market is now, looks like it's going to break the short-term trend line. If we do, fantastic. Then we'll be looking for the next higher low to run this as a bare minimum up to $1,000. So again, fantastic profits here. So guys, a little bit shorter video. We are coming to the end of the month, so you are going to see some strange fluctuations, closing down of positions, etc. from institutions. And then we have non-farm payroll on Friday. What's going to happen with the dollar? Well, our guess and our estimation and bias of which way the market's going to move is to dollar weakness. You may see some short-term dollar strength during the news, but we're going to see dollar weakness over the next coming weeks, and we'll be looking to trade that. The thing is, find the markets that you can potentially trade it that's going to be relatively strong. Okay, if you want to take advantage of a fantastic offer that we're doing, we're working in partnership with markets.com. If you want to know more about that and find out how you can receive 6 months half price to our trading club, then all you need to do is drop me an email. The link will be on this video right now, and I'll also put it in the comments section below. If you like our analysis and you like what you see, what I'd like you to do is hit like, share and subscribe. By hitting subscribe, it's costing you nothing. All it means is you will receive our videos as and when we post them live into YouTube. It'll come straight through to your inbox, so there's no need to check. It's the best way to stay in the loop. Alright guys, well listen, have a great trading day. Be good through non-farm payroll, and we'll put out another couple of videos next week. Bye bye.